I'm Justin. Welcome back to One Beer Job. If you like the video at the end, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and then you will get a lot of different videos about Jeeps, home repairs, so on and so forth. But let's get right into it. I have a soft top NX, and I just took off my alien shade sunshade, and now we're going to put on the NX top. It can be kind of tricky if you go full convertible on it, but in any case, it's a one beer job. Let's get to it. All right, this is where I usually store my soft top, and it fits right back into it really nice. It's low profile. Right over here, you can see I've buttoned up my windows. The side windows very cleanly. The back windows right there. These windows on the side I can store underneath my seats. I have a different video that's on a different YouTube channel that shows you how to store them, and the same thing with the back window. But all right, let's get going. All right, so first thing, get up into the Jeep. We're gonna set this up. Now, what I like to do first is, since it is all nice and neat, I like to match up the points where the actual soft top hinges in, and you'll hear it snap. I'll do that to both sides. All right. Next, I'm gonna start to unfold. And as you can see, there's that middle bar, and I'm going to show you the channel. I'm going to show you the channel that goes into before you can start getting everything else out. All right. Now, right over here, there's a channel. There's a channel right inside, right behind the arm of that. That's where this pipe sits in at. So I'll do it to both sides. And all right, so we're in the channel. That's a good start. We'll just leave it where it's at for right now. All right, now we'll continue to unroll the top to the back. And it's important to have this halfway done so you can attach your cord. And it goes underneath this button, and then it goes underneath. And I latch mine onto the first hole that's right there. Whatever you do to one side, you got to do to the other. All right, next you got to get this little aluminum bar, this placeholder, to the back of the unit. So I match it up to one side and get it long as it goes through that bracket, assuming that you've already installed all the brackets and everything. And now what we'll do is we'll match it up to this other side and just push it through until it fits. And these brackets are even on each side. And they just button in right there. Whatever you do one side, do the other. Now we're all set to do the windows. So again, keep the top open so it's in the sunshade mode when you're doing your windows. It's kind of hot. All right, window action. All right, I'm sort of stand to the side. All right, so these windows I've rolled up into towels. As you can see, I've taken these things completely apart, but you have to put the sleeves back on them. And remember that when you put the sleeves on, that the actual sleeve mending, or the corner pieces, are to the side or on the side of this plastic piece, because otherwise they will show through your soft top, sort of like this. So make sure that this piece is right there. And they have little notches to tell you where the slide goes to, so you don't want to overslide it. And it gets right there. It also allows it to catch, so when you put this through on the soft top itself, and I'll show you how to do that, that it does catch, and so it doesn't slide all the way down and make it weird looking. All right, we're gonna unroll. Now don't worry about the wrinkles and everything like that with the window. As soon as the heat hits it, and again it's like 95 degrees here today, it'll go. All right, now it's important to know about your Jeep, which one goes where, because you have two that look similar. So easiest way that I could tell you is that it fits. So you can see that the longer end and the longer end, like a finger, they match up to one another, but you put the fat side down first, and the fat side does match down here at the bottom. So we'll squeeze. And we'll slide those in. And then I just move them around a little bit just so everything fits right. You can see that it does touch at the bottom. So now we're ready to install the window onto a door. All right, I'm going to install one window and then the back window, so you can see exactly how it works. This is the reason why you want to have that soft top loose, is so you can get this piece into there without struggling. And all we're going to do is just fit it in. I like to Velcro this to the top over here so it stays even, and that way it zips a lot easier. All right, so from there you can see that the window is going to go in there. Now I go to the side and I pull that open, and you can see that it's a little tongue and groove. It's like an L. So we're going to push that L into this channel right along the side. There. Now I'm going to go ahead and start buttoning the bottom up, so you can see that it does pull tight. And all you do is you just flip this lip. There's a plastic lip down here at the bottom that goes underneath this channel of the Jeep, and it was made just for that. So we're just going to move it right along. And I'm only going to get about half done because I want you to see how the window channel slides in. All right, right over here. This is how you're going to attach your back window. Here, come over on this side. You're going to attach your back window right here to this channel right here, and it's going to slide all the way through. And then you're going to connect this zipper right here to the back part of the window, and then you'll be able to button up one side. All right, so now we'll just slide. Now we can go ahead and attach the window to the back window, and again, it'll button up nice and neat. So now we'll slide that zipper into one another, and I'll zip it halfway down. I don't want to zip it all the way down yet because we still want to tighten up that other side. So again, half zipper up here to the top, half zipper here. We have it just started over on this side of the window. And so now we'll move to that other side of the window. Same thing as before. I'm not going to talk you through this one because you've already seen it done. Again, do it in half. Channel to channel. Get the bottom. Halfway. Now we'll attach the zipper up here to the top. Now we'll have to tighten up. So you see that I'm pulling from that other end and it is making it tighter. I'll pull that zipper up, and this is the other reason why you only want half over on that side, so you can get this zipper. And halfway again. All right, now we'll put all the channels underneath on so they're nice and tight. Again, whatever you do to one side, you want to do to the other, and you want to make sure that these are going underneath those channels. And now once I have all those channels down, I can start zipping everything up together. And you want it tight, pull that Velcro tight. Same thing on that other side. Tight. Getting that channel. Pulling everything down. And now we could zip this back up. Now, but I'm going to be loading my Jeep here in a minute. So I'm going to open up a little bit more. I'm just going to pull that up. All right, now how do you connect it inside the Jeep? Again, can't get dehydrated doing this job. You gotta make sure that you go with 95% water, 5% alcohol. This is good stuff. Cast it. All right, now I like to flip it all the way over, nice and easy, and then I make sure that this metal piece, that rod that we had earlier, is inside that bracket. So you can see probably that other side is probably easier to see. Then I'm going to put that and I'm going to cinch it into those brackets. And then from there, where your hardtop screws into, that's when I pull these down and make them nice and taut before I push the top all the way down. Now we'll just set the top down onto its bracket. And it latches, so if you pull it apart, then it gets loose when you pull it down, and you got to sink it all the way down in. If you only get it halfway, it will cinch, but that's what will create some whistling. And just like the last video that I did, I had to tighten up the rods over there because I had some whistling. So we're going to see if this gets rid of the problem. Is that we're going to get it, make sure that that bracket's all the way in. Now we're set. This is, again, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the video. I'll be doing this from here on out and give you guys information about how to do repairs onto your Jeep, how to modify your Jeep, and just general maintenance on the Jeep and other things. So if you can feel that it's nice and tight, it's buttoned up nice and good. Till next time, take a beer, do the job.